how do you say beautiful in Portuguese? The word beautiful in Portuguese is lindo, lindo, which you can say if you're describing a masculine noun. If you're describing a feminine noun, you can say linda, linda. És tão linda, és tão linda. You're so beautiful. Ele é um homem lindo. Ele é um homem lindo. He's a beautiful man, or he's a handsome man. Que vista linda. Que vista linda. What a beautiful view. So as you can see, lindo becomes linda if it's describing a feminine noun. A tua filha é linda. A tua filha é linda. Your daughter is beautiful. Lugar lindo. Lugar lindo. A beautiful place. Tens olhos lindos. Tens olhos lindos. You have beautiful eyes. So if you want to say beautiful in Portuguese, you can say lindo or linda. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Don't forget to use the code WELCOME on checkout for a discount. Obrigado!